Hello, in this video I'll show you what could be the problem if the brake lights on your car are not working. Most of the time, if the brake lights are not working, the problem is the brake light switch. Next we'll check with the scan tool to see if any faults are recorded. We can see we have a code for the brake light switch. It's P0571 cruise brake switch circuit malfunction. That means that there is a problem with the wiring from the brake light switch to the brake lights or with the brake light switch itself. Next we'll go into live data to see if the brake light switch is operating when we press the brake pedal. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So now this is the live data for the brake light switch. Next we'll press the brake pedal to see if we will see it operate on live data. When we press the brake pedal, we should see the brake light switch activate, but we see that it doesn't activate, it just says it's not operating. So the most likely problem is a fault with the brake light switch, so in most cases it needs to be replaced. Here we see that the brake lights are not going on when somebody is pressing the brake. They're not turning on, so brake light switch is not working. Next we'll start replacing the brake light switch. First we'll remove this cover, and then we'll have access to the brake pedal and the brake light switch. Now that this cover is removed, we have access to the brake pedal and the brake light switch. The brake light switch is right there, the purple one. We need to remove this electrical connector and then turn the brake light switch to the left and then take it out. And that's the brake light switch out. Next we're going to put on the new brake light switch. Before putting on the new brake light switch, we should press the brake pedal and keep it pressed while we put on the switch. We need to keep the brake pedal pressed so that when we put on the new brake light switch, we don't press the pin on it on the front. Otherwise it's gonna lose adjustment and then we're gonna need to adjust it. To adjust the brake light switch, you only need to pull out this pin on the brake light switch as far as possible out and then release the brake pedal. Next we'll go to the scan tool and clear the fault codes. The fault code for the brake light switch is gone. Now we're going to live data to check if the brake light switch is operating. Okay, now we'll press the brake pedal to see if it's working. Yes, it's working. It says activated. That means it's working fine. We'll do it again. Yes, brake light switch is working. Next, we'll check if the brake lights are working, and if they're working, that means we're done. Yes, brake lights working, that means we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.